Hello guys, welcome to CAAN Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to learn how to apply for a copy of your DL. Okay, a copy of your driving license, so a DL copy of record. This may be for official purposes or for yourself, just to confirm your details are accurate. To get started, go to eCitizen.go.ke and click on sign in. So this video assumes you know your eCitizen login details. Enter the login details and click on sign in. So once you log in, this is how the platform looks like. Scroll down. Click on NTSA, National Transport and Safety Authority, new portal. This is the NTSA portal on eCitizen. This is how it looks like. It has your information such as your name, your ID number, and your driving license details such as status, is it valid, the reference number, the classes, date of expiry, and there's a renew button there in case your driving license has expired. But the focus of this video is how to apply for a copy of your driving license, a DL copy of record. So just there at the home page, if you're not at the home page, you can always click on home. This DL copy of record, click on apply. It's also important to note that you can do a driving license lookup for anyone as long as you have their ID number. So enter the driving license lookup, that is, enter the ID number of the individual or the person you want to search their driving license copy of. Once you enter the ID number, click on search. Once you click on search, the ID number and the full name, which are mandatory fields, are going to auto-populate with information based on the ID number that you entered. So if the information is accurate, confirm the declaration and then click on submit. Once you submit, it's going to be submitted, and the next stage is to pay. It costs 550 Kenyan shillings. Now, once you submit, it's going to tell you to choose a payment mode. There are so many payment options you can use, but for the focus of this video, we're going to use M-Pesa. So for M-Pesa, click on M-Pesa. So once you click on M-Pesa, you're going to be required to enter a Safaricom number. Once you enter the number that is going to be used to pay, click on initiate payment. A prompt is going to be sent to your phone, and you can enter the M-Pesa PIN, and the payment will be successful. You can always click on confirm once you're done paying. In case the prompt method doesn't work for you, you can always follow the instructions to go to M-Pesa menu and choose pay bill option and follow all those other details. Once you make your payment, you can download the copy of record in application history, then click on view. Once you click on view, the application details of DL copy of record are going to open, and you can download the document immediately. Thank you so much guys for watching. My name is Catherine. Today we learned how to apply for a DL copy of record. It might be yours, or you want to confirm for someone else for official purposes or confirmation purposes. This is CAAN Tech Foundation. Until next time, bye bye.